Hello guys, today we have our first tutorial video. How, what to do in Treasure Islands. Beginner guide. So, let's go on to the video while Isabel is talking. Okay. Okay. I can be wasting time, it's just wasting my time, it's wasting my time. Much better. So first, make sure you have Nintendo Online. If you don't, I don't know what to do. So, okay, enough talking. No more talking. Make sure your pocket is not full. So, I'll just clean the trash for a little bit, and then I'll sell some stuff I don't want anymore. Yeah, let's sell. 1, 2, and 3. So you see here, the golden shovel is from Treasure Islands, so I won't be able to find that back. So first, like I said, first you need to get Nintendo Online. And then go to your airport. Go to your airport. Ask. Okay. Wait. Okay. I don't even know what to say. Ask him I would fly because yeah, I don't even know how to pronounce his name because yeah, it's for the 1 minute for the 30 like not sure. Okay. Click I want to visit someone. Click online play. And then you can find Treasure Islands on any social media as you can. Most people use YouTube, so they won't so so it could be easier because they don't use too many social medias. How you want to travel? Gosh, pronouncing is I like pronouncing, but always. And then I'll go to YouTube. Search Treasure Islands any like social media as you can. Like I said, I don't know if let me find a dodo code that's most likely I like to use. Let's do this one, but it has 5, so no. I need like 3 visitors or 2, or this one has 3. I hope it doesn't give me a connection error or something like that. Age. It's always not gonna be the same code, so sorry, spoilers. Okay. Looks like we got flights for Bill and Dia. Okay. I don't like when words are so long. I don't even know why. Okay. So, looks like we are ready to depart. I'll talk about facts if it's your first time going to Treasure Island while we're traveling to this island. So please don't. Alright. Oh man. Check again. I hate when that happens. Like always. Okay, what's time? Okay, so if if it's your first time going to anyone's island, will the dodo will say he will give you an app or something. I don't remember what he said. It was like the, the chat history, the chat app. So and the best friends app. So so since it's since it's so if it's your first also if it's your first time going to Treasure Islands, you make sure you don't click minus. Go to the airport quickly. If someone is traveling to to the Treasure Island, you have to wait patiently. Don't get too mad. Oi, Roy, Roy, I don't know how to pronounce it. I rate people know how to pronounce it. Royal Crown. Yeah, I see the Royal Crown. And then just go to the airport if it's your first. If you want to leave, wait. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Like I said, if you want to leave, if you want to leave the Treasure Island, don't click minus. Just go to the airport and then ask the dodo. Oh, I want to go home. So that's all. That's all. That's all. 2 facts that I said. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this video is helpful for everyone. See everyone. I'll see you guys later.